I am a ride and show engineer for Universal Creative. We get to develop all sorts of attractions, from roller coasters to dark rides to stunt shows. I've always loved theme parks. I had no idea a career like mine at Universal Creative existed. I always had an affinity towards math and science, and the more I started to learn about it, the more interesting it became. At its core, engineers solve problems. Engineers can do anything. We recently opened Hagrid's Magical Creatures Motorbike Adventure at Universal Orlando Resort. It's an amazing ride. I never thought a mechanical engineer like myself would get to do that. If you're creative and if you're innovative and if you just want to have fun working with all sorts of disciplines, STEM is the perfect field. Our experiences are for guests, and guests are all genders, all ages, all races. We need to have a group of people that reflect that, designing those experiences. And I think women play a huge part in that. Anyone can be an engineer. Anyone can do these jobs. It's really about taking the first step.